I'm going downstairs, the swimming pool, and this is what I'm wearing, guys. I'm just wearing flip-flops and just like a nice little bodysuit and my nice facing K bag, and literally all his swimming outfits in there. I'm checking the pool out. Hello, hi, morning. I checked the swimming pool. Thank you so much. Wow, look. Hello. Wow, what do you see? We're going in the pool. Here in little man are in the swimming pool, and he's got his little armbands going on. He's actually really good, guys, so he's been really floating. Good job. Kick your legs. Well done. Now I've literally just got one hand right now, and he's really doing amazing. Kick your legs. Kick, 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 kick. That's right now. Kick your legs. Good job. Kick your legs. Sunset today. Taking a look at Boracay beach here, walking around. As you can see, the beach up here, really nice sunset. I really love these electrical tricycles. Yeah, it's the sunset, guys. As you can see, there's a beautiful sunset here. It says I love Boracay, and well, I think I've missed the sunset now, guys. Oh well, but look, as you can see the colours. We've got volleyball, people are playing volleyball here, and actually nice and cool as well. Take a moment and just really reflect on everything. Like, coming here is definitely a nice reflection, and just, you know, just gives me inspiration of everything and motivation as well. Every time that I'm near the beach with all the palm trees, it definitely just makes you really reflect on everything and just really just feeling that gratefulness. I remember coming here to the Philippines when I was young. You know, I used to love coming here. Well, it wasn't Boracay, there was another island that I used to go to called Kitten, and I went there when I was about 10 or 11 years old. I just really love it out here, guys. It really is, gives that nice peacefulness, calmness. But I really hope you enjoyed today's vlog, guys. Definitely gives you a little glimpse of the Philippines and showing you my little journey here. I really hope you enjoy, you know, seeing all these Filipino vlogs. I like to vlog a lot more when I'm going places, because then it just gives you a lot more interesting things to see and just interesting things to watch on my channel. I definitely want to show you the sign here, I love Boracay. So yeah, about to head back now. I'm trying to remember where the hotel is. That sunset, guys. How nice is that sunset? That's a nice place there. It's like a sun spa going on. Got your little shots going on here. So yeah, usually when you walk on here, you have to kind of make sure to look on both ends because there's like a lot of tricycles come down this road. So usually they tend to beep and that. So yeah, how gorgeous is that? It's just nice to have like a nice little walk around, and there it is. Just is, the beach is literally just round the corner. We are going out with my auntie. Oh, maganda.
Oo. Tayong dalawa maganda.
Tiny pin. Look at the kitty. What is it? Hello. I see a cat. It's a baby cat. Oh my god, it's so cute, guys. Oh.
He or she has like a red eye.
Oh, it's a red eye. Oh,
Yeah.
no. Oh, little baby cat. It looks lost. Check this out, guys. Rice. Wow. This is like a little beef. Cinnamon. Oh, thank you, cousin Brian. Thank you. This is Cinnamon. Jordan's having spaghetti cute. How cute is this, guys? So it's like a little wrapper, and it is some rice. Looks nice, huh? Looks really nice, guys. So I've got barbecue, rice, and then some bok choy. Busy here, guys. Oh, the basketball. Oh, look, basketball, look. Wow, what do you see, Jordan? Wow, you got a basketball here. Got some basketball here. Yeah. Jordan is absolutely loving these lights here. Wow. What do you see? Mom. Oh, look at that. Oh, you want to try? Oh, dear. What?
Okay, spin.
Oh, spin. Oh, dear. Oh, see, he likes them lights. Oh, what's that one? Wow, he likes it.
This one, mom, it's hard.
Yeah, this one. Yeah, cool. Oh, oh, he likes. So little man has got some new lights. Wow, you got some new light now. Wow. Shall I have? I'll have this one. I'm going to have. Which one should I have? And This one. Okay. Okay, I take these ones. And let's see. That one's really cute. Yeah, that one is really nice. What's going on, girls? There's so many nice souvenirs. I'm gonna get that nice Boracay bag for my mom. She's gonna like that, so I'm gonna get her that. And I might get some t-shirts. Get that one. What color do you want? Yeah, the sunset. Let me see. Alright, we have, what's this one? The blue one. No, what does she like? I think she might like the blue one.
The blue? Plastic.
Huh? Oh, yeah.
Plastic.
Oh, no, not that one.
Anong barito?
Oh, yeah, no, that one. I like that one.
Ito na lang lang.
Yeah, that one's nice. My video so far. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for more.
Wow.